Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to hide chats on Gmail using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you're looking to keep your conversations private or simply declutter your chat list, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can get started. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. This icon represents Google Apps. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, choose Chats. This will take you to the Chat section, where you can see all your recent conversations. Next, find the chat you want to hide. Click on the conversation between you and the contact you wish to hide. It's important to select the right chat, so take a moment to ensure you're in the correct conversation. Now, once you're in the chat window, look for the contact's email address at the top. Click on their email, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the option to Hide Chat. Click on that, and voila! The chat will be hidden from your chat list. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a chat on Gmail using your PC. Remember, hiding a chat doesn't delete it. You can always unhide it later if you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.